Welcome back, coders. This is Tandin from Web-dyno Bhutan. So yeah, yesterday we cloned this Facebook profile page. So today we will start with notification. So this is our goal. So we will make like this. So for that, let's create a file then. Where was we now? Okay, so inside this live folder, give right click, file, and name it as notification notification stateful widget. Okay, notification screen, notification screen, and let's import a package. Import and package, and let's from the home screen remove this one and then call a class notification screen. Notification screen. What was the name that we gave? It's notification screen. This is the name, isn't it? So class there. Everything seems perfect. Okay. Notification screen. Then reload. Yeah, it's calling this page. So again, we need to make like this. So I think today will be a short video, as we can make one and then give copies to whole as it's seen. So for that, let's make a style. Let's make this column whole, this whole container as a column, and then give a children this style. Where was it? Okay, this style, and then give a leading a text, and it's notification. Yeah. And then give a style with text style, a font size 18 with font width dot bold. Okay, and trailing is an icon there. It's icon dot search. It's icons dot search. Yeah. So okay, we need to wrap up this with circle avatar widget. It's circle avatar like this, but the color of the circle avatar is gray, so make it colors dot gray, trend it, and then the icon color to be black. Colors colors dot black, refresh it, and now we will give some size box here, height of 5, and this style again, this style. Before that, let's give a text, and it's something like this. Earlier, give a style, text style, and font weight to be bold, dot bold, give a comma, and font size 16. Okay, this earlier, and cut, and then give a row children, and then give it like this. Want size box here, size box, and a width of 15. Okay, run like this. So we will make use of this style, and inside in the style leading of like circle a border, so circle a border, and let's give a comma there, border load. Okay, we want our radius to be like 80. Oh, that's too big, not 80. Let's not give radius, let's give it by default safe, and the background image to be like assets.image. let's give assets slash, what was the image? Okay, G1, so I'll use g1.jpg. okay, g1.jpg. okay, and this one, the title and tags. Okay, someone is like, or not like, drag it to your post. Let's drag it to your post. Okay, now let's give trailing, and it's like a menu bar, so icon, okay, some icon there, icons dot menu. Yeah, so actually it's 3 top, but I'm not able to find any similar icon here, but you may like use your own customized icon, or you may download and then use it. So now this is it. Okay, let's see, let's copy paste and yeah. So this is a notification, but I think I need to change the image. Okay, comma and then paste thing, and we want our column to be single child score view because we want it to be scoreable. So let's make it. Okay, give a comma there and then again paste it, comma there, paste it, comma there, paste it. So yeah, edit it. So I think now you can change the picture. So the one we have TP, we have like FP, okay, FP, fp.jpg, flutter.jpg, that's like flutter.jpg, yeah, yes, and then yeah, so this is the notification page, and so tomorrow we will clone the setting page. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, give a like, and then share this video.